So what is the role of antioxidant? Actually, that's the important factor. The smallest leaf. Yes. Not leaf, it's a bud. It's another flavor, black pepper, wine. It is also wine, supported by mahogany. Yes.
Ой, это же этот наш. Нет, это перец этот лавровый.
This is
лавровка.
корица.
Корица это, да? Это разве корица? Это лавровый перец.
Now, onwards, you will know there belongs to green tea also. So black tea and green tea, one plant. Why two types? Black tea drying process, green tea steaming process. Different type of process. Also black tea fermentation, green tea there is no fermentation. So those are the two main difference. One plant, two teeth. Plucking by hand, first young leaf, second, third. This is the area plucking. For you saw this, they are plucking by hand. Green tea and black tea plucking by hand. 25 kilograms average they pluck per day. Plus or minus, sometimes 20, sometimes 30 also coming. Let us take as average 25 kilogram, and week by week you can pluck every week. Another one, Chinese virgin, I will show you. This is untouchable. We have to use a scissor to cut the virgin. Where is virgin tips? They have removed all. The cut. I want to show you. All cut by
No chance.
That's no.
Quick. Maybe
Видимо, они уже...
the other one. This one.
Non, mais ça c'est du black tea peut-être.
Молодой, наверное, тоже.
Here there is a small one.
Yeah, small one.
Anyway, this is the virgin tip.
The last one.
Used to make virgin white tea. One plucker pluck 30 gram or 50 gram one day. We are organic compost. tiles here. The small pieces rely on the tiles. 1 hour they are on the tiles. This is very important part of black tea. That's why we call black tea fermented. This is the black tea fermentation.
Fermentazione.
1 hour, oxygen is doing something here. Oxidation. Color changing to brown color. Taste improving, liquor going high, tea getting strong and tasty. After 1 hour we have to dry it in the dryer other side. Now you can see small roller by your eyes. It's a oolong. Tea tasted is oolong. It's only maximum 10 kilograms.